And before that, I wanted to introduce the first spiritual alchemy product. So, the sheet kind of a thing, that is the 2D of the cosmic DNA. Please understand how an individual DNA looks in certain shape. Cosmic DNA looks in certain geometric form. That is what is called Sri Mandala, Sri Yantra. It is literally the shape in which the cosmic DNA is seen. And the cosmic DNA, that Sri Mandala, it has many names: Sri Mandala, Sri Yantra, Sri Chakra. It is drawn in 2D form and installed as foundation. In this foundation, it is drawn in 2D form in pure copper sheet. And then the same thing is in 3D form above, in pure copper, made in pure copper as per Agama, but gold coated, the silver coated, specifically for those Tidiritya Devatas. See, there are different energies installed in this Meru. So, Devi is said to be residing on the top spot. It's called Nada Bindu, means the sound and the energy source. Nada means sound, Bindu means the source energy. Each of this mandala, it is a Nava Avarana, means 9 steps. In this Nava Avarana, each of this mandala, different deities, gods, devatas reside. Different energies are invoked. So now, there are 4 tubes associated to it. In that tube, literally, the Sadashiva manifested in powder form, means a certain powder component mixed as per Agamic instruction, keeping the Haritaki as the base material. That powder is created, and that powder is energized with a high energy. So it carries and holds at least next 30 to 40 years very comfortably. Understand? The science of making the highest energy stay in matter is available only to Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Hinduism evolved this science. So this is the science based on which the deities are energized. It is called Prana Pratishta. See, if you convert blood into blood, it is digestion. Same way, converting the matter into energy is Prana Pratishta. Matter, you can breathe life into it. It can be energized. It can hold the energy. It can store the energy. It can radiate energy. The powder inside, technically, agamically, it is called Virya, equivalent to the cosmic energy. Sadashiva's space, energy is infused into that. And then there is a leaf called Pulluruvi, means It will not be born out of a seed like a usual birth. It is Amalotpava. It is called Amalotpava, means without any male component it will be born. Means the plant which grows in another one plant without a seed. Actually, this is where they took that concept of virgin birth. The source of the virgin birth idea is this Amalotpava. A plant which is Amalotpava, in English you use the word parasite. I don't have any other equivalent English word, but in Tamil we use the word Pulluruvi. In Sanskrit, Amalotpava Vriksha. The Agama uses the word Amalotpava, means that plant will not grow from the ground. It will grow from another branch of the plant. It will grow on the plant without a seed. Means on the neem tree, bale tree will be growing. On the bale tree, sandal tree will be growing. That Amalotpava leaf is powerful enough to be programmed. Means any Satya Sankalpa can be programmed into that leaf, and that leaf will hold that energy and make that into reality, because this plant itself manifested its reality without any external help. It can make whatever you want into reality without external help. It's a very powerful programming material. Means matter on which you can do the programming. Any spiritual programming, just like writing software. This is the base material. So we have like that 18 trees in our campus, Amalotpava, where I'll tell them to take you guys and show you, where the bale tree grows from neem tree, not in corner and all, it's a straight branch. No way the seed can be stored, nothing is available, mud or nothing is available for a seed to sprout. Just from one branch the tree will be growing, another tree will be growing, and that leaf is programmed and Jnananjana is added. All that is kept in each of this tube, which is gold plated, made in pure copper and gold plated, and all of them are tied together in a thread called Panchavarana, means 5-color thread, which represents 5 different circuits happening in our system. See, this is almost like a living being. So these threads are the nervous system. These threads are the nervous system, the physical circuit, physiological circuit, psychological circuit, neurological circuit, and energy, Kundalini circuit. So this 5 is represented by this Panchavarana. I will also give you the original verses out of which this product is evolved, which it is made, and then 3 Garbha is kept inside this Sri Chakra. If you shake, you will see 3 inside. 3 is kept inside, representing the cosmic Brahmanda Yoni, the cosmic womb, muscle memory, biomemory, and bioenergy of the Adi Shakti. This whole thing represents cosmic mother in 2D and 3D form, and it is made to reverberate with 16 sounds. There are 16 sounds of cosmos. It's called primordial sound. When Adi Shakti manifested, the sound she created becomes the Bija mantra to reach her, seed mantra, seed syllable to reach her. I know, I think it is going above your head. I'm seeing many of you are giving a blank look. I think I'm explaining it for air. All right, let me put it in short. the I you carry, it has a cosmic source. If that I is complete with that cosmic source, it resides in Turyati, the highest space. And through this product, I am pushing your I into Turyatita while you are asleep in the night. While you fall asleep, part of you tries to sleep. Instead of falling into a deep sleep, you will fall into Turyatita and Sushupti. And then slowly, the percentage of Turyatita will take over your deep sleep component. So I am working on your neurological circuit through this and making you fall into the highest state of consciousness. All you need to do, just keep it in your bedroom anywhere. Keep it in your bedroom anywhere. It will do its job. It will bring completion with mother energy in you, the cosmic mother energy. The technical term in Agama, it is referred as Brahmanda Yoni. This whole structure construct means this 4 Garbha representing the 4 energies and the 3 Garbha inside, and this whole mandala of 2D, on that 3D is established. This whole thing is worshipped as Bhuvanai Brahmanda Yoni. Means the Bhuvaneshwari is the cosmic mother, her cosmic womb, from which billions and billions of universes come out and go in. This is the Big Bang black hole source.